mean, it's just one piece of trim, so how hard can it be? Oh, hey YouTube, January 12, 2019, I'm here today with a car that I got for free. It's a BMW. It's got 185,000 miles on it. And because it's a BMW, there's some stuff that doesn't work. This light up here doesn't work. The trunk lights don't work. And this trim piece here is falling apart. And I thought, well, you know, one thing I could do that would be pretty easy and fun would be to change out this piece of trim. And it turns out that changing this out is a bigger deal than you might expect. And so, to demonstrate, I'm going to step around to the other side. If you buy a replacement, this is what you get. Made in Austria. It's beautiful. Look, it's perfect. It's new. It's beautiful. Everything's here. But it does not have the other piece. There's nothing in the, it's not in the package. The other piece, this was 78 bucks for this. You want to install it? Okay, sure. You got to buy this piece to go with it. This is another 14 or 15 bucks for this, because of course the plastic just falls apart as soon as you touch it. And of course, to get the old one out, here we are. I had to pull the door gasket down, and then you get inside the car. You're going to need a special tool, because the screws, there are 3 screws. Once you break that piece off, you'll see the 3 screws there, which are Torx 20 T20, and I found these to be quite tight. I had an angle driver to get it a little more leverage on it to take it out. And then once you go to remove it, that's when you hear the rest of the popping and snapping of the clips. Of course, you also find out that the wiring for the airbag, oh yeah, there's an airbag behind here, oh yeah, and the wiring for the airbag actually goes through the door gasket. Oh my god. So I was going to make a video on how to replace the trim today, and instead I'm making a video on how not to replace the trim, because I got to order another piece before I can replace the trim. So thanks for watching.